These boxes are the new REMCO bike lift. This is a new bike stand that's going to make my life as an e-bike mechanic so much easier. Today we're going to unbox it, put it together, and I'll give you my initial impressions, especially compared to my old Park Tool lift, which I looked at purchasing and they just haven't made any of the key updates that I've been looking for the price. This is definitely not intended for working on bigger cargo bikes, but most of the lift stands sold in the United States aren't, and we kind of just hack our way through it using rolly stands and Apple boxes. The very first thing we're going to unbox is the 65-pound base plate. If you already have a base plate from a Park Tool stand or other repair stand, you can just reuse that one. Now we're going to unbox the actual bike lift. We have our instructions. Here's the brains of the whole thing. This is the actual bike lift. Max load of 100 pounds or 45 kilos. Before we get any further, let's check out our instructions. Assembly looks very straightforward. The only slightly frustrating part is that nowhere in this is there torque. Next up is the power cord. It looks like all of your hardware is pre-Loctited. The next thing in the instructions says clamp adapter. We've got two more steps left. We have the chuck adapter and then my clamp head. So I went with the Feedback commercial clamp head because I believe that Feedback makes the best heads for quick repair. Just so good, that ratchet. What's really exciting is we're almost done. This probably took 15, 20 minutes. If I wasn't recording it, it would be even less. It's really nice. Kind of like a standing desk, you can set some predefined positions. So I set 1 as all the way down, 2 as all the way up. But if you have different height mechanics, if you just want to be able to quickly lower it, you can just hit that first button. It was really quick to build. If I hadn't been recording a video, it probably would have been done in 10-15 minutes. They provide all the tools for you. Most of the bolts are pre-Loctited. The main bolt for that clamp adapter is not. I'm gonna email them and see. I do wish there was torque settings, but we'll figure that out. So this was the REMCO bike lift. I got the full setup, so the base plate, the bike lift, the chuck adapter, the clamp, and the Feedback commercial, and I think all in shipping was free. It's about $1,200. That Feedback Pro HD stand that I've been using was $500, $600, but it doesn't lift it for you. And if you are a shop and you already have a Park Tool stand, you can save some money because you probably already have the plate and the head clamp. If you're a home bike mechanic and doing a ton of bike repair, it might be worth it. All right, I'm gonna go play with it and set it up so I can go unbox a new bike and just see how it's working. Let me know what questions you might have about this stand or other repair stands. And until next time, thank you so much. Stay well, stay good, and remember to bike more and worry less.